7 simple home exercises to burn your belly fat and love handles in less than 1 month. Our extremely effective routine combines proven exercises to help you achieve a flat stomach. Following this routine for just a few minutes daily, you'll notice a visible difference in the first week. If you're a beginner, perform 15 to 20 reps of each exercise with 30 seconds of rest and then start the next exercise. Aim for 20 to 25 reps with 20 seconds of rest for the intermediate level and then move to the next exercise. Remember, before starting the workout, warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks. Now, let's begin. 1. Rainbow planks. Start in an elbow plank. Rotate your hips to one side, keeping your body straight. Return to the center. Repeat on the other side. This dynamic variation of the plank is far superior to the static plank. Engaging multiple muscle groups, including your core, shoulders, obliques, and even your hips and legs, rainbow planks offer a more comprehensive workout. By doing this exercise, you will not only burn belly fat and love handles. Your hips and butts will also get into good shape. As a beginner, start by performing rainbow planks for 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds, then move on to the next exercise. 2. 6 inches. Lie flat on your back on a comfortable surface. Extend your legs straight out in front of you. Lift your legs about 6 inches off the ground, keeping them straight and feet pointed. 6 inches is a powerful exercise that directly targets your lower six-pack muscles. By incorporating 6 inches into your workout routine, you can develop a strong and defined midsection. This exercise is particularly effective at strengthening your core, which is essential for various athletic activities. Holding the 6-inch position for 1.5 minutes, while breathing deeply, will help you build strength and endurance. Remember to rest for 30 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. 3. Bird dog crunch. Start on hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, and knees under hips. Extend opposite arm and leg, keeping back flat and core engaged. Bring the elbow towards the knee, as if performing a diagonal crunch. Reverse, then repeat on the opposite side. While the benefits of bird dog crunches are well known, their unique combination of core engagement, balance, and stability make them a valuable asset to any workout routine. This exercise is one of those amazing exercises that target both your upper and lower six-pack muscles and obliques as well. This exercise mimics a functional movement that is often used in everyday activities, improving your overall balance and coordination. 4. Toe touches. Lie on your back. Extend legs straight up. Reach for toes with hands. Touch toes or as close as possible. Return to starting position. Repeat. Toe touches are a simple yet effective exercise that offers numerous benefits beyond targeting your core and other areas of the body. One of the most significant advantages of toe touches is their ability to boost your metabolism. This exercise can help you burn calories more efficiently, even while you sleep. This increased metabolic rate can contribute to overall weight loss and fat burning. Remember to rest for 30 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. 5. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs straight and arms by your sides. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground. Quickly alternate lifting your legs, as if fluttering them. Keep your core engaged and your lower back pressed to the ground. Flutter kicks primarily target the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques, contributing to a strong and sculpted core. Beyond their core benefits, flutter kicks also engage the hip flexors and quadriceps. This full body engagement can lead to increased calorie burn, making them a valuable component of a weight loss regimen. 6. Bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, hands behind your head. Lift knees towards chest, shoulders off ground. Twist upper body right, elbow to left knee. Alternate sides. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic exercise that effectively targets your obliques, contributing to a more defined V-shaped waistline. Beyond strengthening your core, bicycle crunches can also boost your metabolism, aiding in overall weight loss. To maximize the benefits of bicycle crunches, avoid pulling on your neck or using momentum to complete the repetitions. Instead, focus on controlled movements and maintain deep, steady breaths throughout the exercise. Aim to perform 15 to 20 repetitions per set, with 30 seconds of rest between exercises as we mentioned at the start. 7. Leg lifts. Lie on back, legs extended overhead, arms by sides. Lower legs towards the floor, and stop just before touching. Raise your legs back overhead and repeat the process. Keep your core muscles engaged throughout the exercise to prevent your lower back from arching. Avoid bending your knees during the movement. Inhale as you lower your legs and exhale as you lift them. This exercise targets your hip muscles and lower abs. The good thing about this exercise burns more calories than other exercises, making it highly effective for weight loss. By performing this exercise for 2 to 3 weeks, your hips and lower middle body will get a good shape. This workout routine is designed to deliver results quickly. By consistently following it 4 times a week, you'll start noticing significant changes in your physique in just a few weeks. But remember, to maximize your progress, it's essential to complement your workouts with a healthy lifestyle. This means eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding harmful substances like alcohol and sugary drinks. That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.